Hi, Matt.
Hey, Kirky.
Thank you for joining us today for this brief interview about your experience working with Creative Real Estate Copy. To start, how did you find us?
Found you through a good old Google search. You're really working that SEO pretty well. I've got to say, I'm impressed. I always have a lot of respect for a business that I find through the first page of Google results. I've got to say, it's worked. You've really been quite the hero for us on this project.
What were some of the challenges you were facing before finding Creative Real Estate Copy?
We are a immersive technology studio, so we really focus on interactive storytelling using virtual and augmented reality. We're trying to do some creative new things in the real estate space with telling highly interactive stories using 360-degree photographs, where you can navigate a client through a property and create a story around it and really have it be this unique digital experience. We had this great opportunity with Cafe Calabria, a restaurant in San Diego who's converted an old bank building into a really interactive cafe experience built around a small coffee company. He came to us with kind of this challenge of wanting to be able to tell his story across the globe to raise awareness for the acquisition opportunity. He came to us telling us that he wanted to do a full kind of end-to-end package and marketing solution. We went straight to virtual and augmented reality as our first component of it, but he really wanted a detailed brochure, which we've made brochures before, but it's not really our specialty. So we were looking for an expert in the space to help us with the layout and the story behind it and just map the whole thing out. So we could focus on what we're best at and bring in the right partners to assist us with the process. That's where you fit in.
What were your concerns in hiring a content writer and marketing consultant?
The timeline was a big one. The client really wanted to get this done efficiently. And I've seen how projects like this can go with hiring people or working with people that you haven't really worked with before. It can be a complex process and doesn't always go the way that you envision at the beginning. Our biggest challenge or concern was that something might go wrong a month or two down the line and we'd have to start over and go back to the drawing boards, which would have been pretty detrimental for a small studio like us.
What factors contributed to your decision to work with us?
Certainly, first impression was outstanding with your website, and getting in touch with you was absolutely seamless. Quick response, you're able to send over a really nice portfolio of work. I really enjoyed our first communication together. You seemed like a good guy, and I think we definitely jived on some creative ideas on the project. So that's really the things that I look for when I'm looking for a partner, and you nailed it. We did interview a few different partners for the job, and ultimately we did decide to go with you for those reasons.
Can you share a few details about the project we've been working on?
It's a really cool story to tell. It's a 20-year coffee company based in North Park, San Diego. He is one of the innovators of the third wave coffee movement and has this amazing milk chocolatey smooth coffee that everyone is just so passionate about and just dies for. It's a perfect fit because North Park is this like really hip up and coming neighborhood in San Diego. It's just been this really unique business, really great product. Customers are extremely passionate about the business there locally. What you were able to do with understanding the balance between the creative story that's there, but also understanding the fundamental business acumen that needs to be incorporated throughout this. You did a really fantastic job of helping us find that balance and helping to put that into words that kept the 50-page brochure interesting, which isn't always the easiest thing to do. It's been exciting seeing this unfold over the last few months, and so far he's extremely happy with everything we've delivered, and I think that we've just been doing a really great job, and it's been great having you a part of it.
Thank you, Matt. We appreciate your feedback.
Yeah, absolutely.